at the Compton Unified Engineering Expo. The name of my team is Sky Strikers. And what we're doing here is we're teaching kids how to fly drones. And then after that, they race.
We're excited to host 650 scholars from 10 schools. This expo has a different twist. Usually we have partners and adults running activities, but this year we have our own scholars running the hands-on activities for our students to participate in.
We are here showing the LITEX to kids. We're just showing them how to work around the program and how to create the things that they imagine. I would say the ultimate goal of this is to have them at least understand what the LITEX is. We do a presentation that basically gives a rundown of how it works, and we try our best to be interactive with all the students to make it better for them.
Every year we host this activity because we want to expose our students to different engineer fields, and we want them to participate in the hands-on activities.
I think it's very important to be able to learn and have fun while doing it because that keeps people engaged.
What me and my team have enjoyed the most is seeing kids be happy and teaching them how to fly drones.
We really want to thank our scholars who led these activities for our students. They did a wonderful job, and to see how much they've grown in participating in these activities is just such a wonderful thing to see as a teacher myself.
Braxton, no! Come on!